My name is Alexander Taylor and I'm an industrial designer. I have a multi-discipline design studio working on many different projects from furniture to footwear, more specifically sports footwear. In 2015, we received a call from Adidas and Parley for the Oceans. Parley from the Oceans being an organisation looking to work with creatives to help solve the problem of plastics in the ocean. And so I was invited to contribute towards that and collaborate with Adidas on creating a pair of shoes, which would be used then to present in the United Nations building in New York and to announce the collaboration between Adidas and Parley. The design challenge was to create a pair of trainers using gill net. Gill nets are huge fishing nets, which basically catch and kill anything that swims into them. The green part of the shoe is gill net, coming from a poaching vessel intercepted by a Sea Shepherd organisation off the west coast of Africa. The white part of the shoe is plastic bottles. So our job was to work with those materials. The nets, they have to be cleaned up, then they're ground down into little pellets and then heated up and ground down again into little pellets, so round after round. And the same with the PET, with the plastic bottles. Once you've done that, you're able to heat the material up and extrude it and create filaments and multi-filaments. And that would enable you to build and create textile. The way in which we designed and made the shoe, we were able to use the gill net to create a wave pattern. And it's very important because you have an opportunity with design to tell and communicate essentially without words, but people were able to look at the shoe and understand that it was the Parley for the Ocean shoe because of the way that it was designed.
This is really a significant object in the history of trainer manufacture in that it reuses and recycles discarded materials, taking something such as ocean plastics and turning it into a new product, and a product that now is actually commercially available. But what this object also does is that it highlights the issue of ocean plastics to a broader public, and it makes us consider our role in the problem. And as such, it encourages us to think about how and what we consume and how we can reduce that.
Advice to aspiring designers: don't be afraid to ask questions, don't be afraid to be curious, don't be afraid to collaborate, and always be prepared to listen. And if something's not working, then we have this fail fast kind of philosophy that don't expend too much energy, stop and reset.